I mean, we had our best revenue month in February that I've ever had, over 100 grand. The total from the seminar certainly it hit that 40 grand mark. As far as setting up our own in-person and virtual workshops within the office, I would get, 8 to 10 people in the office for the in-person workshops. Out of those, I would convert, one out of whoever showed up. But it was nothing near what we did with the Paul Gough group of them doing the marketing and getting, 48 people to sign up, having 38 people actually show up the day of the event. We were driving in people that were not current clients. I think I only had 4 of our current clients between Jake and I come to the event. And this is our really busy season, so it was really nice to have that extra fluff in January and see the total revenue of January being so high. Utilizing you guys to tap into that outside market was the most beneficial.